In this video we're going to have a look at solving quadratics but using the quadratic formula. So most of the time you know when you need to use it because it will say write your answer to 2 decimal places. It means you can't easily factorize it into double brackets, which is always going to be our method of choice purely because it's so much faster. For example, this one. If you were trying to do this, there are no factor pairs of 5 that make 3 as whole numbers, so we can't do it. Now you could complete the square on it, but with odd numbers it's a little bit harder and you probably prefer not to. So again, I've just said that bit. So what we can actually have a look at is how to factorize this one. We know as the answer is x plus 4 and x plus 2. Factors of 8, 4 and 2 that make 6. So we know these are the answers we're trying to achieve. So if we're asked to solve it, this is the quadratic formula. There's some fantastic videos on YouTube on how to remember them, so please check them out, but it's not that hard to remember. Where basically a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So a is 1, b is 6, and c is 8. It's always a good idea to write those down. So the first bit is negative b. So b here we can see is a positive 6. So negative b is the negative version of that, which is negative 6. Plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8. Now I do like to put this in brackets because it helps, especially when this is a negative value here. All over 2 lots of a, which is 2 times 1. So let's tidy this up. So we've got plus or minus 36 minus 32. All over 2. We can tidy that up again by just subtracting them and getting 4. Now I've chosen one that can be done easily without a calculator, but 9.5 times out of 10, the reason you're doing this method is because this isn't a square number. So this means we're going to split it up into 2. So we've got minus 6 plus square root of 4, which is 2, all over 2, which is minus 2. So minus 6 plus 2 being minus 4, halved is minus 2. And if we do it with its negative, so minus 6 take away 2 is negative 8, halved is negative 4. Now you can see they were the answers we got. If we're asked to solve these, you can just flip the signs, and there you have it.